Who
Yes,
knows?
that's what
Who
we want to know.
knows? You just have to wait. You're gonna have to wait for episode 2.
Oh, how long was the cable installation? Did they
Apparently he's
muddy
still
up the
waiting for the cable
floor?
truck, the cable man to show up. He's waiting for a cable man. I think. I think part two.
Oh my
Part 2 should be
God!
coming soon. We should redo it. We should
Maybe.
redo this. Take
Wow. Like I
I think we
said,
should. I
Technology's
think
come
we
a long
should.
way. I
Honestly,
remember
I think
I
we
shot
should.
down with like a 18 megapixel camera. Uh,
yeah. No,
and
my favorite part
uh,
is that zoom in on Destro.
yeah,
It's like all I see is this.
yeah. It was it was it was only like 10 pictures. I reused them. It was just 10 pictures.
I love the voice inflection between Cobra Commander and the guard.
Destro